This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another informative video. And we all know that we had the crypto crash of 2021 on the 19th of May 2021 yesterday. And it was blood all over our screens. And we saw that every single one of the graphs had the same stupid pattern. And I hope that for the few people who did see those videos, I hope that you saw how I actually uncovered and divulged the real truth about computerized trading on behalf of these institutional investors. Okay, you saw how the pattern was exactly the same for over 90% of the cryptos in the top 1,000. Please check out that video on this channel. And please check out how in the evening we had another video that showed how it had the same little U, upside down U pattern. And we're going to continue with this and show you this morning how they're all starting to funnel back up. Now, I need you to ask yourself this question. How in the hell did everything go down 25%, 30%, whatever percent in one damn day, and all of it's coming back up today? Bitcoin is up 21%. Ethereum is up 25%. Binance Coin 24.6. Cardano, oh my God, 44%. Tether up 0.05%. XRP up 18%. Look at this crap. Dogecoin 30%. Polkadot 23%. Internet Computer 88%. Look at this bullshit. Bitcoin Cash 30%. Uniswap 22%. Litecoin 16.4%. Now what do you think this is? It's like I said yesterday. And look at the patterns. Look at how they all got this upside. Right there on the screen. We caught it when they all dipped down like this. In the evening, I showed you the little upside down U. Now here we are making, I guarantee you, they're trying to make a McDonald's M over here. Every single one of them is going to have this little V, or you see this McDonald's M they're trying to make? Look at this. All of them. Why is it that they all have the same pattern? Yeah, I'm going to start crying again, y'all. Why do they all have the same pattern? Why do they all have the same pattern? They all have the same pattern because this is computerized leverage trading. The computers are making decisions and trading en masse for the entire top 1,000 coins. There is a controlling interest by these institutional investors, and now we can see that the entire market moves together. Okay, it doesn't matter whether it's Chainlink or whether you got nobody coin. Okay, they're all moving with the same pattern just about. Now, they're not exactly identical, but you can see that. Everybody can see that. Now, it's either that or Coinbase can't draw a graph. How come EOS and Tron have almost identical graphs? They're not identical currencies. Why do they have identical graphs? There's only one possible, reasonable explanation. Computerized trading. Computerized trading. Okay? Buying millions of dollars worth of this stuff, simultaneously triggering it. That's why you can get a dip that's 38%, and now all of a sudden everything's back up 30%. And just like I said yesterday, I put out a video. I said, don't sell your crypto. Don't sell it. I know there were some of you who were thinking, this guy's crazy. I'm not going to, I think I ought to unsubscribe. He's telling me to buy more. Doesn't this idiot see that the freaking stuff is going down? What's wrong with him? This guy's losing it. I told you, I've seen it all before. And I told you they can't fool us. I hope you stuck with me. I hope you shared those videos. It's not too late. Take those videos, folks, and share them with your friends. Share them. Tell them that there's a channel out here and there's somebody out here, Crypto Big Boss, who's not pulling any punches. Okay? I'm not pulling any punches. I'm going to tell it just like it is. Okay? Crap stinks. It stinks, and I said it does. Okay? And what you saw yesterday, market manipulation, it stinks. The market's being manipulated by these institutional investors. It's being manipulated. And if you're a small time person, small meaning you're not one of them, guess what? If you got out yesterday and took your little pennies, well, you're going to get burned. You already burnt yourself. All you have to do is sit still. Sit still. Don't move. You're scared, don't move. Hell, rabbits know that. When rabbits get scared, they sit. Just sit there like a little baby rabbit. Don't do nothing. Like a deer, just sit there. Don't move. Don't move. Now, if you're going to make a move, you got to understand what's going on. And now that you understand what was going on yesterday and today is a perfect opportunity to get some mo. Some mo is spelled S-U-M-M-O. Some mo. Get some mo. If you don't understand what I mean by some mo, it means get some mo. Don't sit around here and miss out on the opportunity to get more crypto at a discount. The sale is not going to be going on forever. The next stage is going to be going up to a $5,000 Ethereum and talking about getting back on track with all of the price predictions. Check out all the price predictions on this channel and others. Shout out to Big Boy Crypto. Shout out to Moon Lambo. Shout out to Altcoin Daily. Shout out to Big BK, boss of Bitcoin. Shout out to all these folks. Go out there and check them out. Holla if you hear me, BK. Now, what I'm trying to tell y'all is this. If you can just weather the storm, sometimes you got to close your eyes and look away. Pretend like you don't see what you see. You see that little hook at the end of this chart. You see how it went down. You see how everybody had the same exact pattern. Big business is not in the business of losing money. That's not the objective. So all you got to do is hitch a ride with the big boys. Get your ticket. Get you some crypto. Keep it. Don't listen to anybody. Don't sell. Just hold on to it. Hold on to it. HODL. Hold for the long term. And you will prosper. If you've enjoyed this video and you want more insight and analysis to keep you making money, okay, and keeping it real, please go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Drop the likes. Come on, throw out the shares. This Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.